got?
I tell you, man.
What are we getting into today?
Man, somebody piece me, man. Look at this. Look at it. Splice the whole thing all the way down here. Terrible paint job. We ain't gonna talk about that though.
Don't we?
Right here is popped off, man.
What type of car is this?
08 Tiburon, Hyundai. Ain't nothing fancy, ain't nothing crazy, but you know, we working with what we got. She clean, nothing crazy.
All right, let's see if we can fix this bumper. Coming to the channel soon. You got to take them off?
You gotta go all the way down. Like I can start with this one.
Struggling. Got your 8 mil. Ghetto fabulous.
Hey, but it worked.
Easy fits until we get a new bumper.
Cool. Well, the headlight thing about gone.
Yeah, you broke that.
I didn't break it. It's good enough. Suck it up.
What type of motor is this?
Little 4-cylinder inline 4, 2 liter. making a good little 140.
I'm weak.
Got a little cold air intake, so that's like 30 more horsepower, of course.
Yeah, alright.
Took the valve cover off, weight reduction, saving 100 pounds.
Got me sweating.
Yeah, that thing snapped right there. I'll tell you.
Oh, will. You'll be alright. Weight reduction.
Right.
Braking stuff.
Hey.
That boy ain't no mechanic. From ashy to classy.
Wow.
Now we in steak, remember sleeping on the floor. Feeling like a gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, out the stove. Rocking fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, it was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young.
That's about that goes there.
Die too young. 100 miles per hour, might crash cause a good die young. Yeah, the good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. I'm coming back home. Coming back home. I left because I know my people needed me. Diamond in the rough, I don't know what it is they see in me. Go down as a legend in my city, cause we beat the streets. Trying to spread the wealth around the block, no, I can't keep from me. Told me I should leave. I see the bigger picture and it's way bigger than me. Can't be living like a king, but my people need to eat. If I got it, then you got it, we gon' get back on our feet. And I put it on me. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Or die too young. 100 miles per hour might crash, cause good die young. And but here I come. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. I'm coming back home. Y'all coming back home. Y'all coming back home. I'm coming back home. Y'all coming back. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home.
Get him, boy, get him.